You know, there's a lot of projects that you may do around your home where you need to know how many cubic yards of certain material that you need. I certainly had to figure that out when I put down my gravel driveway, and also just recently I created these great raised beds, and I'm really looking forward to growing a wonderful garden in here. But to determine exactly how much soil I needed, I first measured it out. So in the calculator, all you do is figure the length. We're at 12 feet, and then the width, we're at 4 feet, and then the number of inches deep, so we're 16 inches. So you put those numbers in your calculator and it'll tell you exactly how much cubic yards of material that you need. So I was able to order it and I nailed it. It was perfect. Now you'll need this if you're ordering sand, if you're ordering mulch, or anything in quantity like that. So you want to make sure you get the right amount so that you don't have a lot left over, or just as bad, not having enough to complete the project. So a calculator will work good for you, especially if those math skills have gotten a little rusty since you left school.